Tulsa District U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Commander, Colonel Chris Hussin, recently visited the Mr. Pat Marine Maintenance Vessel as operations and maintenance personnel performed work on the Tainter gates at Robert S. Kerr Lock and Dam 15. The Tulsa District O&M crew maintains 5 locks and dams on the McClellan-Kerr Arkansas River navigation system and continually performs maintenance work to keep the structures functional. This work is an example of the Tulsa District continuing their ongoing efforts to deliver the program.